Hey everyone, welcome back to Phoenix Digital Portal. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of working in New Zealand. Breathtaking landscapes, a vibrant culture, and a booming job market, what's not to love? But for international applicants, navigating the work visa process can feel daunting. Fear not, adventurers. This video will be your one-stop guide to securing a sponsored job in New Zealand, including the hottest in-demand fields. Buckle up and get ready to turn your Kiwi work visa dream into reality. Why New Zealand? New Zealand isn't just about stunning scenery, although, let's be honest, that's a pretty big perk. The land of the long white cloud boasts a strong economy, a high quality of life, and a welcoming, multicultural society. Plus, their work-life balance is legendary, giving you ample time to explore those fjords and glaciers. The sponsored work visa advantage. Now, let's talk visas. Here's where things get interesting. A sponsored work visa allows a New Zealand employer to act as your advocate, streamlining the visa application process significantly. This means less paperwork and stress for you, and a higher chance of securing that coveted work permit. Finding your sponsored job match. So, how do you land a sponsored job? Here's your action plan. Skill up. New Zealand has a specific list of occupations with skill shortages, called the Long-Term Skill Shortage List, LTSSL. This is your goldmine. Research the LTSSL and identify your skill set's sweet spot. If upskilling is needed, consider online courses or certifications to make your profile even more attractive. Craft a stellar resume and cover letter. Tailor your resume and cover letter to each specific job application. Highlight not just your skills and experience, but also your passion for the role and your enthusiasm for living and working in New Zealand. Target the right job boards. There are excellent job boards dedicated to sponsored roles in New Zealand. Explore sites like Seek with their visa sponsorship available filter, and Immigration New Zealand's own job listing platform. Network like crazy. Connect with Kiwi companies and professionals on LinkedIn. Join industry-specific online communities and forums. Attend virtual job fairs or conferences focused on New Zealand. The more you put yourself out there, the more likely you are to be noticed by potential employers seeking sponsored talent. Top 5 in-demand fields for sponsored jobs. Now, let's get down to brass tacks with the top 5 in-demand fields for sponsored jobs in New Zealand. 1. Healthcare. From doctors and nurses to medical technicians and therapists, New Zealand's healthcare sector is experiencing a significant skill shortage. If you have qualifications and experience in this field, this could be your fast track to a sponsored job. 2. Information and Communication Technology, ICT. The tech industry in New Zealand is booming, with a constant need for software developers, web designers, and cybersecurity experts. If you're a tech whiz, this is a great opportunity to leverage your skills and land a sponsored role. 3. Engineering. Civil, mechanical, and electrical engineers are all in high demand across various industries in New Zealand. With large-scale infrastructure projects on the horizon, your engineering expertise could be the key to unlocking your sponsored job dream. 4. Education. New Zealand schools are actively seeking qualified teachers, particularly in STEM fields, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. If you have a passion for education and the relevant qualifications, this could be a rewarding path. 5. Agriculture. New Zealand's agricultural sector is a major contributor to the economy. Skilled agricultural workers like farm managers, horticulturists, and dairy farmers are highly sought after. So, if you have a green thumb and a love for the outdoors, this could be your perfect match. Remember, this is not an exhaustive list. Research the LTSSL for the most up-to-date information on skill shortages in New Zealand. Beyond the skills, the Kiwi factor. While having the right skills is essential, it's also crucial to showcase your adaptability and willingness to embrace the Kiwi work culture. Here are some pointers. Highlight your cultural competency. Demonstrate your ability to thrive in a diverse and inclusive environment. Be a team player. Kiwis value collaboration and a strong work ethic. Show that you're a team player who can contribute positively to the company culture. Express your enthusiasm for New Zealand. Let your passion for living and working in New Zealand shine through. Research the country's unique culture and natural wonders. Talk about how this aligns with your own interests and lifestyle aspirations. The visa application process. Once you've secured that sponsored job offer, congratulations. Now it's time to navigate the visa application process. Here's a simplified breakdown. Work with your employer. Your sponsoring employer will guide you through the specifics of the application process. They'll likely provide a letter of support outlining your job offer and the reasons for sponsoring your visa. Apply for the correct visa. There are different work visa categories in New Zealand. Your employer will advise you on the most suitable one based on your situation. The most common visa for sponsored jobs is the Accredited Employer Work Visa, AEWV. Gather required documentation. This typically includes your passport, medical certificates, police clearances, proof of qualifications, and your employment contract. Meet the medical and character requirements. These are standard procedures to ensure your eligibility to work in New Zealand. Be patient. Processing times can vary depending on your specific circumstances and the current workload of Immigration New Zealand. Additional resources. Here are some valuable resources to help you on your journey. Immigration New Zealand website. Immigration New Zealand website provides comprehensive information on work visas, the application process, and the LTSSL. Ministry of Business, Innovation and Employment, MBIE New Zealand Government Business website offers resources and guidance for skilled migrants seeking work in New Zealand. Life after your sponsored job. While securing the sponsored job and visa are crucial first steps, it's important to consider what life might be like after you arrive in New Zealand. Here are some things to keep in mind. Cost of living. New Zealand boasts a high quality of life, but it comes with a higher cost of living compared to some countries. Research average living expenses in your target city to ensure your salary can comfortably support your desired lifestyle. Finding accommodation. The housing market in New Zealand, particularly in major cities, can be competitive. Start your accommodation search early and consider different options like flat sharing or serviced apartments until you find a more permanent solution. Settling in. Moving to a new country comes with its own set of challenges. Embrace the cultural differences, be open to new experiences, and don't hesitate to reach out to your local community or expat groups for support. Long-term goals. While a sponsored job is a fantastic starting point, consider your long-term goals in New Zealand. Do you plan to pursue permanent residency or citizenship? Understanding your long-term vision will help you make informed decisions about your career path and integration into Kiwi society. Beyond the top 5, exploring niche fields. The top 5 in-demand fields are a great starting point, but there are many other opportunities in New Zealand. Here are some niche fields worth exploring. Trades. Qualified electricians, plumbers, and builders are always in high demand, particularly in regional areas. Tourism and hospitality. With a booming tourism industry, skilled chefs, hotel managers, and tourism professionals are valuable assets. Environmental science. As New Zealand prioritizes sustainability, environmental scientists, conservationists, and renewable energy specialists have promising prospects. Digital marketing. Businesses in New Zealand are increasingly seeking skilled digital marketers to navigate the online landscape. Early childhood education. There's a growing need for qualified early childhood educators to support the development of young children. Remember, this is not an exhaustive list. Research the specific needs of the region you'd like to live in to discover niche fields with high demand. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on living and working abroad. Also, leave a comment below letting me know what other topics related to working in New Zealand you'd like to see covered in future videos. Thanks for joining me today, and all the best in your New Zealand job hunt.